Hello everyone, my name remains Raphael Onuku, and today I want to use this opportunity for those who graduated from the University of Nigeria to tutor you on how you can apply for your transcripts and also English proficiency cover from the UNN portal. So it is very easy, and I'm making this video because of a recent post I saw by one guy like that who is trying to say that he can serve as an intermediary for transcript applications for people. Now I made a kind of a comment trying to let people know that they can do that themselves and do not actually need an intermediary. But if they choose to do that, it's fine. I don't have a problem with that. So, but this dude deleted my posts, and it kind of served like an eye-opening. I didn't trust the process. So, very easy. You can either search on Google by typing UNN transcript, and the first post you can see this is going to take you to exactly where you're going to make your application. So all you need to do is to click on the post, and to click on the link, and it will take you directly to where you need to make your application. On a second note, if you don't want to use that process, you can just go to unn.edu.ng, the official website of UNN. You scroll down, and here you can see under alumni, you can see I transcript. Click on it, and it will take you exactly to the same page where you have to make your transcript application. So you can see the details here that just popped up. So foreign, okay, you can make applications for foreign transcript. You can make payment with foreign currency, I guess. So now application for local transcript is 12,000 naira. Application for foreign transcript is 25,000 naira. Now this, I believe, does not depend on the charges for logistics, and also does not also include if you're making application for the English proficiency. So we're going to close this notification that just popped up. Okay, so if you go here, the same thing. So now you can see they are both the same website. So you can decide to choose whether you're making application for undergraduate or postgraduate transcript. Now, assuming that I want to make request for undergraduate transcript, I can select undergraduate. Now, because UNN has so many affiliations, it depends on where you graduated from. So for me, I graduated from the UNN Nsukka campus. So I will choose my reg number. I'm going to blur this reg number anyway. So I'll choose my reg number. So you select your own reg number. So, and if you don't have an account, if you have never requested for your transcript, I guess you have to click no, I don't have an account. Then fill up all this information. You choose when you graduated, the month, and the graduation year. So if you don't know, then check your degree certificate or your degree certificate or your what do they call it, statement of result. I guess that will give you an insight to when, the month and year that you graduated. So all these other informations are very simple. So for me, I already have applied for transcript before now, so I'll click confirm. So once I click confirm, you see, so now you can decide to choose whether you want to pay with local foreign currency or foreign currency. So whichever one you choose is your choice. Then I'll click on save. So now you see I have made payment for I've made payment successfully 3 times. So at different times that I applied for my transcript. So now if you want to just apply for only proof of English proficiency, you click here. Then if you want to apply for your transcript, you click here. So if I want to apply for transcript, I'm going to just click here. So now it has opened. Now you have to choose official use or student use. Now if you want a student copy, you can either choose this or you choose this. Now if you want, it depends on what you want to use it for. So if I want this transcript to be sent to maybe a university, or even if I wanted to if I want to like pick it up myself, I could apply for an official transcript. Maybe I have somewhere I want to use it or send it to. So whichever one, remember it all depends on you. Now you can choose whether you want a soft copy, maybe the one that will be sent to your email or to their email, or anyone, or hard copy. For me, I'm going to recommend that if you're applying for transcript from the University of Nigeria, choose official use and choose hard copy. So now the institution, so you have to input the various addresses that you want your transcript to go to. Let me assume that I have to like select, put in some information where I want it to go. So now continent, you select which continent, assuming I want my transcript within the country. Then Nigeria. So whichever continent will direct you to where you are going to send it to. So so now this reference number is if you are applying for West. For those of you who would like to apply for West, this reference number will be requested. As you can see, if you check here, given to you by the verification body like likely educational, like West. So if you're this thing, the West will give you a kind of reference number that you have to input here. So you have to put your phone number and yeah. So if you want to include proficiency request while applying for your transcript, as you can see, without proficiency, the transcript application to be delivered by DHL is 12,950. To be delivered by FedEx is 12,782 naira 72 kobo. So if I add English proficiency request, then that means if I add English proficiency request, it will come with extra payment. So but that will only appear when you click on add destination. So when you add destination, just wait. Do not okay, now I have to like select which one I want to use and click add destination. Just wait for it to okay. So now when this page is, when it's appearing this way, then what you can do is if you have another place you want to send transcripts to, you can add, but if no, just say requests. Then if there's anything to attach on why you're trying to request, you'll be told you can upload it here. So you have, so the notification is that you have added a total of one request. So your cart one request to your cart. Your total bill is 17,950 naira. Now this is for both transcript and for English proficiency. Do you wish to proceed with payment? Say okay. So if for instance you are someone who has a card that you can make payment with, no, whether you have a card or you don't have a card, you can select on this. So you can choose whether you want to use a MasterCard or a Visa to make your payment. So for instance, if I choose MasterCard, let's see what will happen. Okay, so now you have this, your you've gotten your RRR, that's your remitter retrieval reference. So with this remitter retrieval reference, you can go to the bank and make your payment, and once you make your payment, then automatically you can come back and you see that your transcript, the payment will be confirmed. So then if okay, for instance, you have all information here. In case you have any challenge, this is where to send an email to. You can also contact this phone number, or if you're within the University of Nigeria or you have someone within the University of Nigeria and you have a challenge, you can send them to the records department and your challenges will be dealt with. So now if I want to pay with remitter myself, or you want to generate the remitter stuff, you can continue here. But for me, I feel like once you have gotten to this point, you know exactly what to do. So but if you want to pay with your card, you can click on continue to remitter, and you get to a place where you have to insert your card details. So assuming I want to make payment by myself, so I'm going to like proceed. Okay, so you can see I'm on remitter platform. So you have your details here, so you can make your payment. You can submit. You see extra money has been added, but if you had gone to pay with that RRR number, you discover that it will not there will be no need for you to make extra payment. So I can decide to put my card number and the CVV and the expiry date, and once you put every details, you can pay 18,207.73 kobo. So that is, once you make this payment, everything has gone through. Or else you can just take the RRR number and you go and make your payment at the bank. Thank you very much. I hope this goes a long way to help someone out there.